Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hytale and you keep getting this problem, an unexpected error occurred with their connection timed out waiting for a response from the peer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So first off, you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to go ahead and download this Cloudflare WAP software up. Open this link. Now download this software on your computer. Once it's done downloading, you're going to go ahead and install it. After it's done installing, now you're going to open it up. Once you're done opening it up, you're going to click onto this settings icon, click 1.1.1.1 with warp and then connect it. Wait for it to connect. Once it's done connecting, now you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here date and time. Now you're going to make sure that your date and time and your time zone is set correctly, because if both of these settings are set incorrectly, then your computer has problems connecting to the internet. So just set your time zone. Once you're done with that, now just click sync now on here and it will sync your time with your time zone. And once it's done, now you're going to open up Hytale and you're going to try to connect to any server, and you'll see that your game will now work correctly and you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.